24-hour economy adeɛ na ase ka ho asɛm yɛn ka ho asɛm
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Nsɛm TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de the need Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Agree with you, sir. I mean, if I had the opportunity to sit around our cabinet table, yes. What I think should be agitating the minds of the NDC government, Oman, this 24-hour economy adena, I say. I mean, I think for a promise, a defining the 2024 election, if there is one promise, a defining election and how the election went, it was 24-hour economy. I don't know, camera be a cabinet when I'm sure the kind of conversation across because this agenda 133 at the end.
Job 3 a year,
one job,
yeah.
Three people,
no, yeah.
3 shifts.
Yeah, 3 shifts.
In what it means, they say, Anka say, JM buy and say, when Katie Ajume be ampa, Ajume wohoda dano. Say Ajume wohoda dano, Efanipa 100. With this promise, there was a sale Juma na afi Efanipa 300. That is what the 133 means. In the it's a serious issue. And I think around cabinet, every day on Beko cabinet meeting, no.
Ghana there, the Baba Juma. Now watch him parliament G budget into Masana abine we person
I don't see how Oman a 24-hour market will deal with the problem of unemployment comprehensively. I don't see how. Because the point is that Oman, if it were to be so, we have existing market in areas a very busy. Say Kaneshi market or Oman. Kaneshi market is one of the market. Kaneshi market so do yaji hunyina. Amanfo was tossed woman ade. It will be easy to then let's pilot here 24-hour economy market by Juma. Let Kaneshi market run 24 hours first. If you run Kaneshi market 24 hours, that's a year Juma. Then you say okay, this thing can work. But no. Nipa wo Kaneshi nipa be brego. Amanfo te ho a established market dada. Let's see how Kaneshi can be made to run 24 hours. So that you can convince me, say me see 24-hour economy market was jarapa. And I say last year Toloa, it's a joke.
But the market is not a panacea to the 24-hour market.
No.
It's not.
The promise that was given 133. How does the market solve that?
The market,
and that's why I think, sir, the president and his cabinet.
The late John Kuma, there were a certain squad. Abu Ramadan. A certain squad. Kofi 1, 2, 3. Go and check. Yes, so na increase. Who said that will be a clean? Why the kawa? One that NDC for ben that or mono. Na MPP for ben say ABC danana. I'm saying. Let's stop this hypocritical attitude you put it up when we are in government. As if say at the end of the way I will be in their practice. You are a beneficiary. You are a beneficiary.
Asempa FE.
Other than the one who see your hand in the accord, no, they will be in your pedias and Remukono, any Pamoja be anywhere. What do you mean? You want to explain yourself? I also have an explanation. Every institution in this country has been bastardized, has been tainted politically. So when you take decisions now as an independent institution, what they say is that
in a way.
Because that is what has been with us time immemorial. Yeah. Down party take a decision na NDC for a busy that. Why not say Obusma could say, well, no, anybody not sa. Not your honor, your honor, yes, your kind. And your own. So what do you want us to do now? Obi na say dem your honor NDC for nation before she bombs Obi or the Nyansa didi. Na comfort ye didi. Chuku na wa koni nyame huro na woni mu no. An comfort en tokwane ateni didi ana. Hey, Omanhene also ba habi. There be you see Ministry of Transport say NDC for nkwa na mra no. We've got it to a point where people take it personal that they can't believe why they will see Omanhene talking to an NDC minister. Yeah. They don't have a problem. Yeah. They have a big problem with that. What do you mean? What country are you building? You're interested in a foreigner engaging our minister than me. I'm engaged. What do you mean? Ghanaian. What do you mean?
Because of
Edemano. Unya Kabila Al-Hassan. Ayi teacher ni yo say hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi. O de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na uhwiri treasure. Unim se atintenhu eta woto na uhwiri treasure. Onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K. Onzo obi anka bi ma. Sa na wiase ne tie. So obi asamba fa we ya futuo. Obi asamba susuka. Na wonim de da wanim. Obi asamba susuka. Na me I am srema wo say ebi mu be defend no. Who be defend DJ K sasai. Enim guase we ya wagu ne ho. Wagu ne ho. Hey, DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia be se me kasa wakama asem. Wakama asem me wakama asem ya. Asa ne ye nya nipa. Asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam. Ene de wo me say baby I won ankasa baby I issue no ka fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi nka yentimi enka no say de nka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu wo tam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho ye yesre ya na video ni ye hwe ni say ya ene de ho na wo hye wo no ene wo na wo hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K Mrs. wa we ya we nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso ton so na baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wa de wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say you Oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma Oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, Oman bi timi ko borrow Oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow Oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Yeah, hospital and it goes on and no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. This is a kind of candy was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrifice discard to what the eye hospitals, and most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator is on funded free seniors, most of my comfort. You see, any Ghana for debut. I find that tables net 10 after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to me and call I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to the queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen in a home. Obian can't into them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de se bi ye bibi ayen kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibi ye invest square ye kitinkiti. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same credit. Obi ma credit scoring system also open kitinkiti. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open kitinkiti. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani ma so o mema was come to boot one ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Rajon Dramani ma ko gina fese and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, na mo de onye kinki na muhia utilization bia. And I Gafon say, okay, you better abana ma boom 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 boom. Mo to abama kinki government it me.
Say dey ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for troye about council of state member voter region. Now me say fiam hey Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.